Namaskar and welcome. You're watching the Awaz. Let's have a look on today's Uttarakhand News Bulletin. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami did a surprise inspection of ISBT Dehradun. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami reached the surprise inspection of ISBT Dehradun on Thursday. During this, Chief Minister Dhami himself boarded the bus and talked to the passengers and took stock of the facilities. During this, CM Pushkar Singh Dhami inspected the arrangements for seating, drinking water, sanitation and toilets for the passengers at ISBT. During the inspection, he directed the officials of the Transport Corporation that all the arrangements should be kept in mind, keeping in mind the convenience of the passengers. The Chief Minister directed that within a week, arrangements should be made for the benches for the passengers. Ensure that the drinking water supply is not interrupted. Special attention should be paid to the cleanliness in toilets. Along with this, in view of the convenience of the passengers, instructions have been given to paste all the information on the board as well as to make arrangements at the counter so that the elderly do not face any problem while travelling. CJM court acquits 5 accused including Cabinet Minister Ganesh Joshi in Shaktiman case. In the Shaktiman case, 5 accused including Cabinet Minister Ganesh Joshi, Yogendra Rawat have been acquitted by the CJM court. All of them were accused of breaking the leg of a police horse during the Assembly March on March 14, 2016. Then for more than a month, the mighty horse fought with life and death. Finally, on April 20, 2016, Shaktiman died. During the 2016 budget session, BJP MLAs and workers took out a rally against the Congress government till the assembly. During this, there was also a clash between policemen and BJP supporters. It was alleged that during this time, BJP MLA Ganesh Joshi snatched the sticks of the police and started firing on them. A few months back, the matter of withdrawing this case also came to the fore, but today, on Thursday, the court has acquitted the 5 accused due to the lack of sufficient evidence. CM Dhami attended the program organized on completion of 3 years of Ayushman Yojana in Dehradun. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami participated in the Ayushman Bharat Arogya Manthan 3.0 program organized by the Health Department on the completion of 3 years of Ayushman Yojana in Dehradun. During this, CM Dhami said that this is the first such scheme of independent India under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, from which the poor people are getting direct benefits in the health sector. CM Dhami further said that the pending amount of various hospitals under Ayushman Bharat scheme will be paid within 7 days. The fee charged for the making Ayushman card will be waived. Let us inform you that Uttarakhand Health Minister Dhan Singh Rawat was also present in the program. Secretary of Niranjani Akhada denied the alleged suicide note of Mahant Narendra Giri's suicide. The alleged suicide note of suicide of Akhada Parishad President Shri Mahant Narendra Giri has been denied by Shri Niranjani Akhada Secretary and Mansa Devi Trust President Shri Mahant Ravindra Puri. Shri Mahant Ravindra Puri said that the alleged suicide note is fake. The whole story has been made under a big conspiracy. A new twist has come about the throne of Bhagambari with the statement of Shri Mahant Ravindra Puri, Secretary of Akhada. Let us inform you that in the alleged suicide note of Brahmalin Narendra Giri, Mahant Balbir Puri has been declared as the successor of the throne. On the other hand, Ravindra Puri has called an emergency meeting of the saints and Mahants of the Akhada at Prayag, Bhagambari on 24th September. The decision to hand over the throne will be taken only by the collective decisions of saints and Mahants. Heavy rains expected in many districts including Nainital, Champawat and Bhageshwar. According to the Meteorological Department, there is a possibility of several rounds of heavy rains in the districts like Nainital, Champawat and Bhageshwar in next 24 hours. Apart from this, in the mountain areas of Kumaon and Garhwal region, light to moderate rain at most places along with lighting can also fall at some places. Most areas of the state including the capital Dehradun remained cloudy on Thursday. It rained in Mussoorie last night. It has been raining in Chamoli district since Wednesday night. Due to the debris coming here, the Badrinath highway has been closed at Pagalnala, Kshetrapal and Karnaprayag. Efforts are being made to open the way. Yamunotri highway has been blocked due to the landslides, debris and boulders. It is difficult to open the highway due to the rain. Gangotri National Highway is smooth for traffic. Thank you. Keep watching the Awaz for the latest updates of Uttarakhand.